So today, without wasting time, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up shipping address on your 1688 account. What you need for setting up shipping address is, of course, your 1688 account. Secondly, you will need your shipping address. So shipping address is basically gotten from your shipping company. So whatever company you are using that is shipping the goods for you, you will collect shipping address from them. So this is my 1688 app, and then I will come over to this. From the home page, I will click on me. Remember, we already said that you're meant to have 1688 accounts before doing this. So I'm going to click on me, and then here it will take me to my dashboard, and then you can see this is shipping. See shipping right here, shipping address right here. So I'm going to click on it, and then it will show me all the shipping address I've set up on this account. So we offer procurement and sourcing services, and then these are the shipping address we use for our customers. You can see there are a whole lot of shipping companies here, which I may not want to display publicly because of our customers personal details that are there. So if you need procurement services, we offer that as well. Sourcing services, whatever kind of goods that you need from China, you just reach out to us, or you come over to our office in Ikeja and we'll be able to do that for you. That is by the way. And then over here, I'm going to click on new receiving address down the page. You can see it here, new receiving address. So I'll click on it, and then I will, on this page, this is where I'm meant to set up address. Now, there are a lot of people who do mistake here. They will go ahead and start setting up their own Nigerian address or African address, Ghanaian address, Cameroonian address. That is actually wrong. That can actually get your goods lost, because you can't be saying a supplier should send goods from their own company from China directly to you. It's not possible. As at now, it's not possible to do that. So just ignore that. So you are going to use your shipping company's address, and then this is how you are going to do it. So you come over to, for me, I already have my address on WhatsApp, and then this is my address right here on WhatsApp. So what I'm basically going to do is to copy this address. Now we are going to be teaching, for those who are attending our master classes, already teach how you are going to get this address. This address is actually called consolidation address, and the meaning of that is that whatever goods that you send to this particular address will be packaged together in one parcel, and then it will be sent to your country. And if the goods are in bulk, maybe they're up to a container, this particular code that is unique code that is on this particular address here will allow you to track and monitor that particular goods, because this code identify the goods as your own. So it's more like, when you have this code, it's more like having your own personal identity on that good. So that is the meaning of that code, and that makes it consolidation address. So if you're sending like 50 or 100 packages, or even up to 200 packages to the warehouse in China, once that those packages carry this particular code here, those goods are automatically identified as your own, and they will be attached to your account, and they will be logged in. They will be logged on your own shipping dashboard. So that is the meaning of consolidation address. Now, apart from consolidation address, there are also a couple of other addresses that people use, like even we at Kim too, there are some couple of addresses that we do use. And what are they? These are shipping addresses. We have, apart from consolidation address, we have direct shipping address for C, and we also have direct shipping address for A. Direct shipping address means when you send goods to that address and you write C on the packet, on the parcel, once that goods land to the warehouse, bam, it will be sent out immediately. They are not waiting for any other goods. They will just move it out immediately. And if you are sending using direct A shipping address, once the goods get to the warehouse, they will fly it immediately without waiting for you to give consent. Unlike consolidation address, when the goods get there, the goods will just be there at the warehouse waiting for you to give order before they will do what they will send it out. So on the dashboard, you're going to be teaching on WhatsApp. you understand how you can mark or identify the goods, or all the goods you want to send together. You mark all of them and send. We'll be doing that on WhatsApp because I don't want this video to be too long. So for those of you just coming randomly on YouTube, you're going to ask your shipping company to give you address, and then you're going to get this address right here, and then you copy it. Just long press and copy it from WhatsApp, from wherever they give you, and then you take it to your 168 account. Now, there are certain times when the address will have a kind of some other information that are not relevant. Sometimes they will add like, oh, our warehouse open from so time and so time. These are the information that you need to do. These are the kind of things that you need to do. If you are coming, do this kind of thing, do that. You're going to delete all those kind of information. You will send it to the supplier directly on chat. Okay, on this channel also we have treated how to communicate with suppliers. We're going to check across the channel, know how to communicate with suppliers. So if your shipping company give you those couple of instructions, you're going to send directly to the supplier, not on the shipping details you're going to add it. This is because shipping details has a maximum, I think maximum of 200 characters at the moment. So if you are putting in the text there or the address there, it shouldn't exceed 200 characters so that you won't give you errors. So that is why. So just ensure you use only the address. Now pay attention to what I'm doing. My phone is asking whether I should allow paste. So I'm clicking on allow paste because of what? I want to paste the address. If your own didn't show that, don't come back to complain that, oh, my own is not allowing me to, it's not asking me whether I should paste or not. Just long press here and then paste the address. Now, if you notice something, I didn't add my phone number and my name on this address. That is because if I add my name and phone number, or company name and company number, it is going to give me, it will automatically use my details on this page. So I don't want that. And then I will be struggling to edit one by one. And if I don't know, if it is somebody who don't know much about this setup, they will end up setting a wrong address. So I will advise that you paste the address first and then click auto filling. When you click auto filling, it will auto populate all the information accordingly. The street will be entered, the address will be entered, phone number will be entered. These are all Chinese information. Now, if you want to add more customization to this address, you're going to tap here, touch on the at the end of this address, and then you're going to put in your name and phone number. So I will just say key import export limited. That is my company name, and then I will also put my company number, which is plus 234 817 9137881. Okay, so that is my company WhatsApp number. So before I click save and use, you see they are asking me whether I want to set up as default address. So if I want to make it a default address, I will check this, turn it on like that. So once I save, this address will automatically become my what? My default shipping address. Default shipping address means whenever you are placing order, the order will just go straight to that address. Okay, now I will just go ahead and click save and use. So once you click save and use, you'll be done. That is all. So this is all about setting up shipping address. If you have any question, you're going to ask in the comment section. And if you are attending our masterclass, you go back to the support group that we have, and then you ask all your questions there. We're going to attend to you just like we do. So guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time and you are watching to this extent, it means you have gotten massive value. So why not smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that anytime we post this kind of videos, you're going to get notified. Bye guys.